Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nganyiso Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up basic SEO for your website. So we're going to download a plugin called Yoast. And for those who want to know what SEO stands for search engine optimization. This will allow Google to, one, know what your website is about, and number two, it helps Google rank your website accordingly. So it uses that using keywords. So for instance, let's say you sell toothbrushes. You want to make sure that your website's got a lot of keywords that talk about teeth, toothbrushes, and the more of those keywords you have on your website, the better your site will rank on the Google search. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to go to plugins. I'm going to add new. We're going to search for a plugin called Yoast SEO. We're going to install, activate it. Okay. So you want to do this process at the end once you've done uploading the content and the pictures and you've done all the product description. And then we're going to say start first time configuration. And then we're going to go start SEO data optimization. While this is running, we're just going to press continue. You want to put your organization's name here. Upload your company's logo. If you have any profiles, you can add here. If you've got a social media presence on Instagram or Twitter, please put in your URL to your profile page here. We're going to just save and continue. Then we go save and continue. And now we have finished the configuration, and we go visit our SEO dashboard, and that should be all. And that's basically your site with basic SEO. So this is just the basic. If you want to upgrade your SEO, you can definitely go get your SEO premium. And then you can also look for someone who's really good at SEO optimization. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you in the next video.